welcome to Cheap Joe's. My name is Julie and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're going to be talking about something a little bit different, kind of art nerdy, the term called Chiaroscuro. It's very, very interesting technique. I learned about it in college and stuff, and I have kind of fiddled with this off and on several times and find it to be a great exercise and an interesting way to kind of enhance your subject and also your composition. But let me tell you a little bit about what Chiaroscuro means. It comes from two Italian roots. Chia mean light and scuro mean dark. So what we're actually talking about is, and the definition, let me read it here. An effect of contrasted light and shadow created by light falling unevenly or the form in a particular direction. So the solidity of form is best described by the light falling against it. So what does that really mean? It means that the ancients knew a long time ago that the best way to define a form was to exaggerate the light that falls upon it, because then you get to see all of the shape. So chiaroscuro means exaggerating the light and the dark that falls on a shape to further describe the form. So in a chiaroscuro exercise, what I generally do, what you would do is you take a subject and focus strong light at it, and then anything that is around 50% gray or lighter goes to complete white, and anything that is 51 to 100% gray or black gets turned to complete dark. And so what you're doing is you're just showing where the light hits the form, and you get some really interesting exaggerated shapes that way. And they can be very beautiful. I've done several charcoal drawings over the years of different things this way. And here's just a little study. This is just an image of a singer, Troye Sivan. And what I did was basically, just like we talked about, exaggerate the light and the dark and reduce it down to the simple forms. And so I used just a little bit of golden acrylic. This is anthraquinone blue and my handy dandy Aqua B sketchbook, and just reduced those shapes down to their simplest forms. And it can create some really interesting contrast and shape and composition. And also it's kind of like a nice little brain exercise for how you're looking and viewing your subject matter. So if you haven't tried it before, take a look at Chiaroscuro. It's a fascinating way to see form in a new way. So enjoy.